And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make $123,000 a year investing in power nodes, passive income with crypto. We're going to go over first what power nodes are, how they work, and then we're going to calculate how we're going to make $123,000. This is their website. Let's start off with the basics. Welcome to power nodes. From the console, you can view, manage, and launch power nodes. You can also see how many rewards have been allocated and claim them here. Then if you want, you can use them to create more power nodes, up to a maximum of 100 per wallet. So if you happen to have 100 nodes, just create another wallet and you can create more nodes. And it has launch app here, which we will buy now in Discord. Power is part of the Phantom network, which I'm invested in it. I think it's great. And here is their Discord and launch app. So how does this work? You can earn money with a 6,300% yield. You'll only need 10 power tokens to get started. Now they have different tiers, so this has changed. To allocate rewards and yield to you, Power efficiently aggregates returns from protocol-owned liquidity with returns from DeFi protocols across numerous chains. Once you set up a node, your job is done. Relax and enjoy your time as we research and identify attractive yield generating solutions for you. And this is a Thor fork. I just covered Thor nodes, and Power is based on the Thor infrastructure. They forked off the second version of Thor nodes, so it's running smoothly as of now. And if we launch their app, this is their app here. We have the white paper. I'm going to read some of that stuff as well. We'll go over the treasury and farms. Welcome to Power. From the console, you can view, manage, and launch power generators. So they're calling them generators, not nodes, but it is based off a node infrastructure. You can also see how many rewards have been allocated and claim them here. Then if you want, you can use them to create more power generators, up to a maximum of 100 per wallet. So this is how you get started. You need to enter a name here for your node. And once you enter that name, and then this window pops up. These are the different tiers to invest in power. So you can get started with as little as 1 power per node. And currently, power is trading around $25. You will earn 0.003 per day. And I have a calculator that calculates how much this is. So we'll go over that towards the end of the video. You can also do microscopic. You need 5 power per node, and you'll earn a little bit more, 0.025 per day. You can do human, you need 10 power per node, and you'll earn 0.1 per day. And lastly, you have superhuman here, 50 power per node, and you earn 0.7 per day. Those are phenomenal returns. That's pretty good. It does have an asterisk here. The rate is calculated with the actual power price, and it may depend on various factors. And they have some tokenomics. And here's the breakdown. A contribution of power tokens to Power community is required to create a generator and participate in rewards. 20% future use, 10% to Power FTM pool for rewards, 70% into generator reward pools, and lastly, distribution subject to optimization over time. So these numbers will change. We're going to do the calculations based on current numbers. I am getting a few different comments there in my previous videos. Do know that these calculations are based on current numbers. These numbers will always change, and this is why I created tools to track down those changes. And that's how you create a generator. So let's keep it going. Now we click on farms, you go here, and you can provide liquidity, and you will get double the rewards. The only thing that I wasn't able to find, this is providing liquidity, I wasn't able to find how long the rewards take to actualize. I've minted and bonded before in different tokens, and usually it takes 5 days. I couldn't find any information here, so you're gonna have to do your own research about how long it takes for you to get 2 times the rewards. So what this means is if you provide here WFTM, here you press select and you stake it here, you are forfeiting your WFTM in return for power tokens. You're going to get twice the value that you invest. If you invest $100 of WFTM, you will receive $200 worth of power token. It's a great deal. The only thing I didn't find anywhere is how long this takes. From my experience, it's 5 days. This could be longer. I don't know. It doesn't say here. And this one gives you the most rewards, 5x. if you provide WFTM Energy Spooky liquidity pool token. Once you do come to the farms, you are giving up those tokens in return for the amount that is stated here in power tokens. So you can actually come here, start here, earn double the amount, and then open up a generator. Now, once again, I don't know how long this takes. If we click up here, we go to the treasury. If we go to the treasury, this is their current numbers. Treasury wallet, they currently have $2.8 million. The current price of power is $24. The investment wallet has $394,000. Liquidity, 2.2 million. And there's about 5,000 holders, and power nodes about 17,770. Those are their current numbers. Now, if we go to the white paper, I'm just going to go over some key details here. What happens to the power used to create a node? This is what happens when a power node is created. A major percentage of the power is sent to the rewards pool. Some percentage of that power is put to the liquidity pool as 50% power and 50% FTM. And a small percentage of that power is transferred to the marketing team wallet to support the protocol stability and token growth. Rewards are distributed in real time, and you may claim your rewards in power tokens from the council. Please bear in mind that just like the rewards value, the distribution frequency is an estimate and may change in the future to ensure project sustainability. Also, once a node is created, it cannot be shut down. But aside your rewards, noders will also enjoy the increase in power tokens' intrinsic value. And they're talking about the tokenomics, which we already went over. It broke down the exact percentages here, how the token is currently functioning. Reasons to trust us. We had a fair launch, 0 team tokens, no private or public sales, no VCs. So this is what they're stating here. Everyone has an equal chance in a fair market. Contract source code verified, and here's a contract code. Liquidity locked is here. 100% of liquidity tokens are locked, making it impossible for this project to be rugged. So this is what they're stating, pretty bold. And if this is true, then this has a potential to become something. They forked off the Thor nodes, and this was a fair launch. So it has a few great things going for it. Also, if you join their social media, they have Discord, a Medium, a Twitter. They have a good following. Pretty good there. Now let's go over how we're going to make $123,000. So I made this calculator that has all this information. It has the contract name, it has a contract address, the name, the symbol, the decimal, the explorer. Also, it has a phantom network name, RPC, chain ID, current symbol, and the explorer as well. And it has all the relevant links to power nodes here, their social media and where to buy. This is part of the phantom network. So you will go here to Spooky Swap. I'll just click there. I'll show you guys how to buy it. After you install the phantom network in your wallet, which the information is provided here, then you go click here, Spooky Swap. You copy this contract address here. So right click, copy. And then you go here. You need FTM to buy this. You go to Boo. You go here and you paste it. And here we go. Here's a power token. And that's how you buy the power token, Spooky Swap. And this is part of the Phantom Opera network. You have to install that in your wallet if you don't have it installed already. All this information will be provided in this calculator. Okay, how are we going to make $123,000? This calculator has 2 cells in which is customizable, and it's here in blue. These are the only 2 numbers you need to change in order for this calculator to work. Everything is automated for your convenience, and it has live quotes of the current price. So in order to make $123,000, we need to go with a superhuman. We need 50 power per node to earn 0.7 return per day. So that's 50 power and 0.7. So if we go here, I already input those metrics, 50 power per node, and we're going to earn 0.7 per day. At the current price of power, this will cost you $1,309. It already calculates for you, and you will be earning $18 per day based on this number. After 71 days of being invested, you will be able to buy a second node. So after 71.43 days, you will have a total investment of $2,619. Now, if we continue, in order to get a third node, now you have 2 nodes here. It does a calculation. Now you'll be earning 1.4 power per day. That's a total return of $36.67. Now, in order for you to get the next note, it will take 35 days. And you can see how easily this starts compounding. Now you'll be invested 107 days from the beginning if you started off with one note, and you'll have a value of $3,928. Now, if we scroll down to 365 days, which is here, let's scroll down here. 365 days is right here. At the current prices, you will have $123,093. And that's how compounding interest works. This is the beauty of it. This is passive income. Now, do know this calculator is based on the current rates, and the value of power changes daily, and the rates might change over time. This is why I made this calculator, in order for you to track down those changes. And it also gives you an APR based on these metrics. If you were not to compound your investment, this will give you a 511% APR. Now, let's say you don't have $1,300. That's fine. We can go to a lower tier. If we go to the very first one, which is flat versal, it's 1 power per node, and it earns you 0.003 per day. So let's input those metrics just to see what that looks like. So it's 1 power per node, and then we'll be earning 0.003 per day. 0.003 per day. There you have it. You'll be earning 8 cents a day according to the current value. And after 1 year with this investment, you will have doubled your money. That's an APR of 110%. So obviously it's a little slower. The less you invest, the slower it is. The more you invest, the more returns you get quickly. After 1 year investing in the flat versal, you will only double your money. You can see which strategy is best for you based on your current budget. And you can change the different metrics to see what works out for you. Now, if you want a copy of this calculator with all this information, you have to join my Patreon. This is my Patreon page. I will leave a link under the description of this video. If you join this tier, calculators, you will have access to this calculator and any other calculators that I'll be making. And that's how you have access to this calculator for your convenience. Once you join, you'll have access to these links in Patreon, and this calculator won't be customizable. I have a note here. No, this is view only. Need to go to File, make a copy to edit. So this is how you do that. Once you open the file, you go to File, make a copy, and that's how you make a copy for yourself in order to edit this calculator. And there's a lot of information in this calculator to make it easy so that you don't have to scramble between different websites to get you up and running. I know these rates change. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just providing the tools necessary in order for you to make your own financial decisions. So if you found this video of any value, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below so that you don't miss other investing opportunities. There's a lot of projects going on right now. Bitcoin is down, and I do think this is a buy the dip opportunity. I think the worst is over, and I'm very optimistic going forward. If you made it this far, thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.